See this YouTuber creating short with the help of AI without showing his face and making $2,000 to $30,000. Don't worry, you can also making thousands of dollars after watching this video. In this video, I will create AI video with free AI tools. I'm going to show you how to create an entire AI video from idea to script to voiceover to talking AI avatar. Believe me, after watching this video, you will never have to watch another video. Let's start. First, choose your niche. You are scrolling to view videos or shorts. What kind of videos attract you and compel you to watch the full video? Think like you are a viewer and not a creator. Second, choose the right and viral topic according to your niche. I would suggest you to choose a topic from Vidic. Vidic is a great platform where you can find viral topics, tags. I suggest you use free version. For example, I choose a topic which are the best top 5 YouTube niches. Third step. Go to ChatGPT and write give me a 40-second script on which are the best top 5 faceless YouTube niches. Copy this script and create a short article and add some hook lines at the beginning of your short, like if you want to grow on YouTube without showing your face, then here are the top 5 best faceless YouTube niches. A line like this creates some curiosity at the beginning of your short. These lines force the viewer to watch the entire video. Fourth step. Go to lexica.art, click generate, and give a prompt like a man sitting at a desk with a mic and a studio background. Here are some pictures. As per your prompt, you can make any kind of picture, but face is clearly visible in your picture. For example, I selected this picture. Fifth step. Go to pickwish.com where you can upscale your AI image. Click Photo Enhancer. Upload your image, then download your high-quality AI image. Sixth step. Visit studio.did.com where you can create your video with AI image for free. First, you will get 20 free credits. Click on Create Video. Add your AI image and then paste your script. Choose what kind of voice you want. There are many different male and female voices with different styles, and then click on Generate Video, then download your video. Watch till the end. I will tell you how you can remove logo in just one click. Seventh step. Go to kapwing.com. Click on Upload Video, then click on Subtitles on the left. Choose the language of your video and what language you want your subtitles in. I choose English. Then click on Auto Subtitle. Your subtitle is ready. Select any animation you want. I choose this one, then export your video in high quality. Eighth step. Go to 123apps.com. Choose to remove logo from video. Upload video. Select the selected part of your video that you want to remove. Click Save and download it. See, the video is ready.
Faceless YouTube channels have gained popularity in recent years as creators choose to remain anonymous while sharing their content. Here are the top 5 faceless niches.
You can also sell these services on freelancing platforms. If you want to grow on YouTube, upload 2 shorts every single day. The key is to be consistent. Subscribe to my channel for more money making tips and different strategies.